So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure this AXB is a sector where O is the center. So AXB is a sector and O is the center of that sector. And OA and OB are given as 6 centimeter. So this length and this length are given as 6 centimeter. The angle AOB is 60 degree. So this angle is given as 60 degree. And a circle is passing through the point O, A and B. Then we have to find this area of this blue region. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. In this figure I can write this blue area as this area of this full circle minus this yellow area and minus this green area and minus this white area. So if I subtract this yellow, green and white area from the area of the circle, then I can find this blue area. So this is the strategy. So now let's see how we can do this further. So you can see this figure. In this figure, uh, I drew this as 6 centimeter and this as 6 centimeter because it is given in the problem. And I also place this point as A, this point as B, and this point as C, and this point as O. So this is my new notation of this point. So I call this point as A, this point as B, and this point as C, and the center of the circle as the point O. Now you see I additionally join this point B and C in the problem. This line is given and this line is given only. You can see that in the problem only this line and this line is given, and I join this line B and C, and you can see that this is an equilateral triangle because this side is 6, this side is 6, and this angle is 60 degree. So you can easily see that this angle also be 60 degree and this angle also be 60 degree, and this side will come as 6 centimeters. So this is an equilateral triangle. So ABC is an equilateral triangle. And what we can do, we can apply the sine rule to find the radius of this circumcircle. So you can see this triangle ABC circumcircle is this circle, and we can find the radius of this circumcircle by applying this sine rule. So sine A by A is equal to sine B by B is equal to sine C by C is equal to 1 by 2R we know, and we know the sides of the triangle are 6, 6 and 6, and the angles are we know 60 degree, all three angles, because it is an equilateral triangle. So we can do this. A is equal to 2R sine A. Angle is 60 degree. We know all angles and sides are 6 centimeter. So we can easily find the radius of the circumcircle as 2 root 3 centimeter. From here you can find that, and you can find this area of this circumcircle as pi times 2 root 3 centimeter square, which is 12 pi centimeter square. So this is the area of this full circle. Now let's move to this green area. How we can find this green area? It is green area as we denoted previously. You can see this is green area. So you can easily find that because this circle is divided into three parts equally, like this is and this is. So all these parts like this and this, all three parts are same, and this is simply 1/3 of the whole circle area, because we know as this angle as 30 degree and this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 120 degree, we can easily find out for the equilateral triangle this angle is also 120 degree and this angle is also 120 degree. So this sector area is simply 1/3 of the whole circle area, which is 4 pi centimeter square, and this is also the same because this part and this part are exactly same. So this yellow area is also 4 by centimeter square. So now the remaining thing is this white area. How we can calculate this white area? So this white area you can calculate by this strategy. You can calculate this whole sector area, which is sector area. Uh, the sector is BXC. This B XC sector. So this is the sector, and then you can subtract this triangle area and this triangle area. Then you can easily find out the this area. So you can subtract the AOB triangle area and AOC triangle area. So this is the AOB triangle and this is the AOC triangle. So you subtract AOB and AOC triangle area from the sector area, then you can find the this white area which we required to solve the problem. So AOC triangle area is simply half times this is the radius as we calculated as 2 root 3 centimeter. This is the radius of the circumcircle, because from any point on the circle to the center of the circumcircle this distance is equal to the radius, and this is also radius, and this angle we know it is 120 degree, because this figure is exactly symmetric. This part is equal to this part and equal to this part, so we can divide 360 degree. This whole angle is 360 degree, so you can divide this 360 degree in three equal parts, which will give us this is 120, this is 120, and this is 120. So half times 2 root 3 multiplied by 2 root 3 multiplied by sine of 120. This is the area of this triangle AOC, which will come as 3 root 3 centimeter square. And this triangle area is also will become as 3 root 3 centimeter square, because both are exactly same. So now the remaining thing is this sector area. So how we calculate this sector area? Sector area is simply this angle we know as 60 degree, and this is a part of a circle whose radius is 6 centimeter, because this is the center of the this sector BXC, and this is the point on the at sector. So the this distance is 6 centimeter, which is the radius of the circle from which this sector is coming, and this angle is 60 degrees. So this is exactly 1 by 6 of pi times 6 square, so it will come as 6 pi centimeter square. You know this area is 3 root 3, this area is also 3 root 3, so you can subtract this 2 from the 6 pi, then you can easily get this white area, which is 6 pi minus 6 root 3 centimeter square. So now you can easily calculate blue area. So this is the total area, which is 12 pi, minus this green area, which is 4 pi, minus this yellow area, which is 4 pi, and minus this white area, which is 6 pi minus 6 root 3. So this will come as 6 root 3 minus 2 pi centimeter square. So in this way we can solve this.